chaw and maybe setting jaw, hanging around, taking our ease, watching
Ooh!
that hound.
And that's how it's done.
I
Let's
love
see.
Come on, take down your fishing
got
pole
one.
and meet me at the fishing hole.
Look.
I can't think of a better way to pass
Bluegill,
the time of
bluegill, and
day.
a tilapia. Let's go put them in the bucket.